100 Basic English Questions and Answers. How are you feeling? I'm alright. How are you feeling? I'm alright. When is your birthday? In December. When is your birthday? In December. Where are you from? I'm from Africa. Where are you from? I'm from Africa. How old are you? I'm 32. How old are you? I'm 32. How was the movie? Not so bad. How was the movie? Not so bad. Do you think it is true? I'm afraid not. Do you think it is true? I'm afraid not. May I smoke here? No problem. May I smoke here? No problem. Where did you stay? In a hotel. Where did you stay? In a hotel. Does she speak English? Yes, she does. Does she speak English? Yes, she does. Can I help you? No, thanks. Can I help you? No, thanks. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. When do you go to college? I go at 10 a.m. When do you go to college? I go at 10 a.m. How do you get to college? By bus. How do you get to college? By bus. What do you study? I study history. What do you study? I study history. Do you have fun at college? Yes, I do. Do you have fun at college? Yes, I do. What are you doing? I'm doing my office work. What are you doing? I'm doing my office work. Which office do you work? I work in a bank. Which office do you work? I work in a bank. Are you busy now? Yes, I am. Are you busy now? Yes, I am. When is your birthday? It is on June 5th. When is your birthday? It is on June 5th.